Hey! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. Let me know in the comments if you hate it. But I needed to switch it up a little bit. I kinda have been doing so many voiceovers lately that I kinda just missed talking to the camera. So today I'm just doing like a quick tidy up, but I'm doing it a little bit vloggy. I have had some questions about stuff and it's just easier for me to like explain shit as I go, you know? So I'm starting off just in the living room. I like really just kinda don't feel like cleaning today. You may notice by the fact that I'm about to use a wipe to clean the table. It's pretty much just in this portion, because this is where all the baby gunk gets. If you're curious about the Hello Bello stuff, I have filmed a review already. I don't know when it's going up. It's either going to be a Wednesday bonus video. If it is up already, I will link it down below in case you care. This is the new high chair, which doesn't look very high, but it's one of the reasons I like it. It's the Evenflo 4-in-1 and it's great. I like it specifically because it comes down, ugh, this is nasty. It comes down to the floor. And I'll show you this part in a second. Gotta clean. It does have a cushion insert here, but that is in the wash right now. But it works fine without the cushion insert. This is a table. So this turns into a toddler chair and table set. For anyone wondering about what I'm using to clean this, it is my own mix of things. It's not actually Windex. I just reuse the bottles. A mix of Palmolive dish soap and vinegar and water. It is baby safe. Answering questions. So you got the table part, and then the seat part, and then the seat part goes in these little thingies. You push it down, and then you have a high chair. It's great. The living room might look a little different because we had to rejig the whole baby proofing situation. We've taken the coffee table out because he kept climbing on it, and now I've got that cabinet that used to be in the kitchen in front of the TV stand because he kept trying to get the Apple TV and such. Kid's not quite old enough to play with the PlayStation. And then that table over there is just covering the wires that are on the side so he doesn't go in and grab them. It's been working so far. So he's napping and I'm just kind of picking stuff up now. As I had mentioned in another video, I think it was a clean with me. I like to reorganize his toys every time he goes down for a nap or is in the high chair eating. Pretty much anytime he's off the floor with the toys. It kind of like resets the zone kind of thing. I feel like he gets really stressed out if the toys are just constantly all over the place. Spoons. So now that I'm not using this as a diaper caddy anymore, because right now we don't really need it, things change and get repurposed as you go. I've been using this to kind of organize some of his toys out here. I put all of his teethers in this pocket here so he can just get them out of there. All of his crinkly, squishy things are in this pocket. In the big pocket is where I put his books. So I've got all of his favorite touch and feels, and then Baby Elvis, this book is being run down, but this is his favorite book of all the books. He just carries this thing around with him, and he'll like slide it across the floor, and then to fill the gap and hold the books in place, I have his little makeshift Montessori toy. This is just an empty white bag that I cut up rags and put in, so he just like pulls them out. It's like the Kleenex box thing, but he loves it because it's also got the clicky flap, so he plays with that. And I just put this off to the side. Whoa, this is the loose toy basket. So I've got his mirror strapped to the side, and I just put the like little toys like balls and the blocks and whatnot all go in there. And then this bottom shelf here is where I put like his bigger toys. This guy I'll shove back there, and then his little Francais fish here goes there, and then his popper giraffe, and a telephone. Got his little wooden xylophone that I'll put in the front, and then he can reorganize and everything's accessible. So I got this cereal for Rory and seems to be okay with it, but it says to store in a container, so I'm just dumping it in one of these. I did have some questions about these glass containers. Let me just tell you, they're amazing. Suitable for, not the lids, obviously, but they're suitable to go in the oven and in the microwave. They're glass. I've actually dropped them a fair amount of times because I'm clumsy, and I have not wrecked them. I did chip one of the lids. The lids are not that durable, but which is kind of funny because the lids are plastic and the container is glass. Amazon Basics. These are fantastic. Okay, and then the last thing I'm doing is I'm gonna half-assed make my bed because it is a half-assed kind of day, which is why I'm only tidying and not cleaning. Do this the old-fashioned lazy teenager way and just pull the blankets up, because we all have those days, you know, where you just can't be bothered to put any sort of effort into making the bed. Ta-da! This was a quick video. So check out the links down below. I'll link whatever I can that I talked about or showed off in this video. I apologize if you're one of those people that prefers to just like watch me clean and have some relaxing or upbeat, encouraging music in the background, but I just wasn't feeling a voiceover today, you know? Also, I think if I had done this with a voiceover, I wouldn't have even, like, by the time I was done doing the introduction, the video would have been over because this was so quick. This was all I'm doing today. I'm spending the rest of the day editing videos and relaxing with my baby, and that is how she's gonna go. Give her a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me some feedback down below, and we will see you in the next one.